Wish you very happy Yugadi. Taste it. Yummy, yummy.
Hello everyone, wish you all a very happy Yugadi. Today's special is Bele Holige, which is also known as Obbattu. This Obbattu is considered to be one of the most important Naivedyam recipes for Yugadi. Today I will show you how to make this. The first step for this recipe is Hurna preparation. For this, take 2 cups of tur dal and wash this tur dal well and keep it aside. For this we also need half coconut. I have already grated this coconut. Take about 4 to 5 elaichi and take 1/3 cup of jaggery. If you like more sweet, you can also use 2 cups of jaggery. Now in a vessel add the washed tur dal and you need to boil this tur dal well. To this add water for boiling. You can either add more water and then drain the water once the tur dal is boiled, or you can add less water and you can evaporate all the water. Cover the lid 5 minutes in medium flame and then open the lid and boil the tur dal well. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to boil this tur dal. After 35 minutes, the water is evaporated. Check if the tur dal is boiled by pressing the tur dal. The tur dal is boiled well. I have evaporated the tur dal water. To this add 1/3 cup of jaggery and mix it well. Now the jaggery leaves water. To this add elaichi, 4 to 5 elaichi, and mix this well. Boil this for about 5 to 8 minutes in medium flame and then add grated coconut to this and mix the mixture well. Cook this until it gets little thicker and then allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Grind the hurna mixture. Grind this to a fine paste. Make sure you grind this when it is slightly hot. Do not allow it to cool completely. I am grinding this in batches. Now the hurna is ready. Please keep this aside. Next step is the dough preparation. For this, take 2 cups of maida and little salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 4 to 5 teaspoons of rava. Mix this well. Now this is mixed well. Next add little water and mix the dough. Do not add water at once. Add water little by little and keep mixing the dough. Dough attains a round shape. At this point add oil little by little. I have used around 3/4 cup of oil. Make sure you add more oil to this dough. Keep kneading this for about 5 to 10 minutes well. Now the dough is ready. Add oil on top of the dough and is this covered for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Now the dough is set well. Now you can start making the obbattu. Make the balls from the hurna that you prepared and keep it aside. Now take any plastic cover or banana leaf and spread the oil on top of the cover and take a small size of dough and flatten the dough. And then take the hurna ball that you had kept it aside and place it on the dough. Cover the hurna and pinch the top of the dough. This dough I am pinching it off and covering the hurna well. Now the hurna is covered well. Now flatten the dough and place a plastic cover and then keep pressing the dough. Press on all the sides. Make sure the hona is spread on all the sides. Now the hona is spread well. Now this is ready to fry. Open the cover and then slowly remove it from the cover and place it on the tawa. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and fry this for about 1 minute in medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee on top and flip the obbatu. Add 1 more teaspoon of ghee on top and cook this for a minute and flip the sides. Add 1 more teaspoon of ghee and spread it well. The tasty and soft obbatu is ready to serve. See, when you break the obbatu is so soft and tasty. Please try this recipe and share your comments in the comment section of this video. Thank you.
Please